This is a quick overview of my newest brush set that I made. Here you can just see a quick process how to use them and what you can actually do with them and what comes with the set. Yeah, the set comes also with this painting you can see as a tutorial and a full walkthrough in about 40 minutes. And yeah, you have all these nice cutout things you can use, as you can see here. And of course my brush set included. And also you have these color palettes that I made. They are also coming with the set. Yeah, so here you can take a quick look on what you will get. And so if you're interested, you can check out my brush set. I will link it into the description below. Thanks for your attention.